Hey, Ronald and Michelle and possibly Jordan. This is Dave from Local Splash. We spoke about a month ago and about GenX Electrical Service.com and really your business and getting it more leads and capabilities. So you, at that time, were looking to switch back to using Wix, which looks like that hasn't been done. And I don't know where you stand for that, but the domain is going to re-register in about September. You probably have it paid for Wix, but if it's of interest, I can tell you that we can continue to host it. We do have a nominal fee, and that fee is actually going to try to auto debit. There is a subscription that we have. You're on the lowest price tier of $19 a month. And so I'm happy to continue it with that. And in doing that, actually, I want to let me just throw in that our website, the content is all yours, but one thing that we can do is continue to add to the content. So right now, actually just coming in here and looking at the site, it does have some decent flow already, but one thing that we can do is we look to enhance it. So there's two sections here right now. We'd come in and add a third section, and that would look like something like so, where we insert the content really just above the other two sections. And that content really is tailored to what you think you might believe. I have a number of different topics here. I have a couple that I would suggest possibly, but if you're interested, we would do this. This is just generic lay-in content, but we do have that human curated. So it reads a little bit more easy on the eyes. You also, it doesn't seem like you're using the dashboard. You don't need to, but when you did, we had the phone number coming here and I was able to see some leads. Just as a reminder, really it's important to answer every call. This call here, I could hear they left a voicemail and you really want to get those right away. The Local Splash app is also still available to you if you want to switch back to having that call tracking number, we throw that in. So again, if you want to continue to host it with us, we'll actually do your domain hosting so you can get rid of, and also the registration, we can port that registration to Cloudflare, which is an at-cost best registrar that you can get. So let me know if you want to do that or continue with Wix. If you do, let me know this weekend so I can help you with that, logging into Wix, switching the DNS. It may be confusing, but I want to make sure you feel supported in this process. And lastly, even though I'm not here to pitch you so much, just telling you the opportunity, I checked it out and found that with Google Guarantee, which if you're not familiar, if you just do a search for electrical services in your area, in Naples and Fort Myers, it comes up really well right away to showing those prominent ones. Oops, not here. So electrical services in Fort Myers, or if I am in Fort Myers, I wouldn't have to even say it. And you'll notice right up here these top recommended ones. So we can get you in here, and this is a direct exclusive lead to your business, the best thing that you can buy on the internet, the best marketing you can get. It's above the maps listings, above the organic listings. So there's a little bit of a process, but I'm pretty confident that a new business like yourself, that we can keep the lights on and get you validated and registered in there. It does have a little bit of compliance requirement of some contracting license, 800K in general liability, but for somewhere between 400 to 1,500 a month, you can get 3 great qualified business leads a month, or I'm sorry, a week. 13 a month approximately is what we estimate that to be. So anyway, this is all for you. If you want that content on a new site, hopefully you can get that. Please let me know. I sent you a text. I'm going to send you an email and follow up. I am available at best throughout the weekend, and if it comes to next week, the site may come down, and I really don't want that happening. So let me know one way or the other what you'd like to do, and I look forward to supporting you through that and hopefully growing this business. So thank you much for giving me a moment to listen, and have a great rest of your weekend.